Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. 10th class, subject biology, chapter number 11, homeostasis, and the topic is homeostasis in plants. Learning objectives. Student will be able to define homeostasis, osmoregulation, thermoregulation, and excretion. Different mechanism for the homeostasis of water and other chemicals in plants. What is homeostasis? Homo means same and stasis means equilibrium. So the homeostasis is the maintenance of internal condition of body at equilibrium. Despite changes in the external environment, for example, our blood glucose level remains about 1 gram per liter despite eating a meal rich in carbohydrates. Some example of homeostasis are osmoregulation, thermoregulation, and excretion. Osmoregulation, it is maintenance of the amount of water and salt in body fluids, that is blood and tissue fluids. Thermoregulation, the word temperature, we use the term for temperature. Our body temperature remains constant, which is 37 degrees centigrade. Even surrounding temperature reach 50 degrees centigrade. But internal body temperature will be 37 degrees centigrade because enzyme of body work best at particular temperature. So the maintenance of internal body temperature is called thermoregulation. Excretion. In excretion, the metabolic waste are eliminated from body to maintain the internal condition of at equilibrium. Metabolic waste means any materials that is produced during body metabolic activities and that may harm the body. Homeostasis in plants. Plants respond to environmental changes and keep their internal condition constant. They apply different mechanism for the homeostasis of water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogenous material. Removal of carbon dioxide. We have studied in previous chapter gases exchange. During daytime, carbon dioxide produced by respiration is utilized in photosynthesis, and at night it is removed by diffusion from stomata and root hairs. Removal of oxygen produced in daytime as a byproduct of photosynthesis, and this oxygen utilized in cellular respiration. Extra oxygen is removed through stomata. Removal of extra water. Extra water removed through transpiration. Transpiration is the removal of water from aerial parts. Plants obtain the water through the soil and it produces during the cellular respiration. During daytime, extra water removed through stomata. At night, transpiration do not occur because stomata are closed. Water is accumulated in xylem vessels of roots. Guttation. Some plants like grasses and strawberry, their leaves have some pores on their edges or on tips of leaves. The waters come out from edges or tips of leaves. You can see in the diagram how it look when come out. Guttation is not to be confused with dew. Dew is formed on the plant surface from condensation of moisture in the air. Guttation is moisture emitted from the plant itself. Removal of metabolic waste. Calcium oxalate. It is deposited in the form of crystals in leaves and stem of many plants like tomato. Plant deposit their waste material in leaves. When they yearly shedding their leaves, they get rid from these waste material. Removal of other metabolic waste. Resins removed by coniferous tree. Gums removed by kicker. It is a waste material of the plant. Mucilage removed by carnivorous plants and ladyfingers. When we cut the ladyfinger, there is a sticky material, especially at the tips, and in aloe vera, there is a gel they store in their leaves, which is a waste material. Carnivorous plant use this mucilage to trap the insects. Latex removed by rubber plants. Home task. Define homeostasis and 3 example of homeostasis. Write difference between guttation and dew. How do plants excrete extra water and salts from their body?